We are currently at Fine Arts Museum. Inaalaw yung camera dito sa loob ng museum. You can try it. 30,000 Vietnamese song is not bad, you know, for your experience. Cheers. Before and after. Siguro, kahit sila hindi nila ina-expect, no, tao. Ayan. Ayan, paikot yun. Sige, mag 360 tayo. Ayan. Hello! Ang ganda! Di talaga ako magsasawa sa Vietnam. Kayo, kahit first timer lang ako, I hope sana may naibigay akong mga magagandang information. Hi mga ka-friendies, Casey here. It's our day 10 and last day natin today dito sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And we are currently at Fine Arts Museum and it's already 4:17 in the afternoon. So let's go ahead and explore their Fine Arts Museum. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Okay guys, so for some reason, hindi inaalaw yung camera dito sa loob ng museum. So, ginamit ko lang yung phone ko. It doesn't make sense. Bawal yung camera, pero bawal yung cellphone. But anyway, it's okay. Well, just gonna take some clips and I'll put it on this vlog. Alright guys, so nakalabas na kami ni Kay sa Fine Arts Museum nila. For some reason, hindi nila inaalaw yung mga ganitong camera, digital cameras. I think there's a special fee if you're gonna bring a camera inside of the museum. But inaalaw naman nila yung phone, no? So I'll try my best to add the videos and photos here. We paid 30,000 Vietnamese dong each person. And this is just an honest feedback guys ha. Maganda naman siya sa loob, no? Sa culture nila, yung mga ganon, based din sa concept ng museum nila. But if you want more, I would recommend the War Museum instead. But if you also want like to experience fine arts, kasi maganda naman picture-picture doon, may nakuha din ako mga clips doon, so you can try. 30,000 Vietnamese song is not bad, you know, for your experience. So yes. And then now we are looking for Bip Me In. Nilalakad lang namin. Yung kaya mo pa. Ito yung sinasabi ko, nagsama yung dalawang hindi magaling sa mapa. Pero guys, 1 minute lang siya. 1 minute from Fine Arts Museum. Pero nagsama yung dalawang hindi magagaling sa mapa.
7 minutes.
Kanina 1. Ay, good luck talaga.
What the dog doing?
Guys, so ito yung menu nila and ang purpose dito is para matikman nyo buncha, mien nila and it's for 179 Vietnamese dong. And then gusto ni Kay tikman yung parang asan ba yun? Ito, this one. The Ban Seonan Chai. It's for 139. Ano yung gusto mo, be? Mushroom? Diyos ko, guys, sobrang laki pa. Come on, yeah. Ayan, this is the pancake. Oo, sobrang laki. Alright. And then we ordered this. This is for 58 Vietnamese dong, 58,000. And then how much yung watermelon mo? Babe?
Hindi ko na pinsin.
Okay, tignan na lang natin mamaya. Basta around mga 20 to 30 siya, guys. Okay, let's eat! Here. Cheers! Sarap.
Ano naman to? Parang okay pero gulay.
Huh? It's amazing. May ganito sila. Like parang rice paper. And pero gusto ko i-try siya muna without rice paper. So ito yung kanya. Sorry, medyo messy siya. Ayan. Parang yung wrapper niya, like ang wrapper ng lumpia natin sa Pinas, no? Yung lumpia. I would try to... Okay, kamayan na to. Sausaw. Try natin sausaw. May sausawan siya, guys. And cheers. Oh. So, ayun. Before and after. And anyway, ito po yung total bill for your reference. Ayan. Hello guys, welcome back. We are currently at Kong Trong Lam Son Street that is located at District 1. And yes, nasa likod ko po yung the iconic Saigon Opera. Ayan, ang ganda. And then sa gilid po niyan, yung Louis Vuitton na maganda. Papakita ko na lang mamaya, no, pag nasa bus na tayo. And yes, tama po yung narinig nyo. Andito po tayo dahil mag-city night tour tayo sa bus. And for some reason, guys, siguro kahit sila hindi nila ina-expect, no? Today is Saturday. It's December 6. It's already 9:24 p.m. Oh, di ba? Kompleto. Anyway, hindi nila ina-expect na sobrang traffic today. Kasi siguro marami kasing pa-event dito. Marami kaming nadaanan na may mga events. Katulad na lang neto. Ayan o, may event dyan. Ayan. And guys, since maraming na traffic and all, medyo na-delay yung process ng ano nila, nung hop in, hop on nila. And kami, pumipila kami. Nagsimula yung pila namin mula doon, guys. Ayan. Pumila kami dyan. Dyan. Tapos paikot yan. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung mga tao. Ayan. Ayan, paikot yan, guys. Sige, mag 360 tayo. Ayan. And then si Kian doon. Nandito na kami. Ayan. Hanggang makaabot ka doon. Tapos makakasakay ka. Diba? But it's okay. I mean, you know, hindi naman siguro nila ina-expect na ganito yung mangyayari ngayon. But anyway, lahat naman napipila. So magpipila din tayo. That is okay. And hopefully matuloy to kasi I really want to share the beauty of Ho Chi Minh City sa gabi. Especially pag nakasakay tayo sa taas ng bus, no? And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted later. Oh, by the way, before I forgot, we booked this trip via Klook and we paid like 300-ish per person. Yeah, we paid 345 pesos each person. So yes, I think that is not bad for you to experience the city or tour the city of Ho Chi Minh. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll keep you guys posted. Babalik na muna ako sa pila. And yung friend natin sobrang stress na. Are you still okay?
I'm tired.
Hindi, pero dito ka, mas maganda dito. Are you okay?
No.
Continue pa natin to. Uwi na tayo.
Pero maganda yung lipstick.
Oh, pak, magkano yung lipstick? By the way guys, hindi ko pala na-videoan kanina. So, after namin mag-VIP me in, pumunta kami bumalik kami ng Saigon Center. And when you say Saigon Center is...
Bastos.
Napabili na naman siya ng Christian Dior. Diyos ko. Ayoko na. Ang hirap maging kaibigan ni Kay. Ang gastos.
Ala. Ayos. Balik.
Anyway, yung lipstick po is sponsored by Christian Dior.
Sponsored.
Guys, I forgot to share pala, no? So, may nakita ako dito isang terminal ng train nila. Ayan. There you go. Tawag nila is Metro Tick Hop. So, yes guys, yung Ho Chi Minh may MRT na. They just actually opened last year, December last year. And so, if yung naghahanap kayo ng terminal nila, isa sa Bentan and isa dito sa sa may Saigon Opera. So, nasa gilid lang siya ng Louis Vuitton. I mean, Halaya. Sa line lang siya ng Louis Vuitton. So, nandun yung Louis Vuitton, guys, no? Andito, sa side na yan. Nalakad ka lang dito konti and may terminal na dyan. So yun guys, no, finally nakasakay na tayo. Wala palang microphone, si Casey Pak. Okay guys, so finally nakasakay na po tayo, no? And now, let's go and explore the beautiful city of Ho Chi Minh at night. Walang energy. Ginawa. Fuck long. So ayun guys, pabalik na tayo sa draft of location. And just a quick tip lang, no, if you want to book this sightseeing night city tour, I would highly recommend na mas agahan nyo pa. And if you can, book every weekdays probably, or anyway, if you want weekends, that's fine. Again, maybe may events lang talaga ngayon and sobrang traffic talaga. But yes, if you book weekends, I would highly recommend to come mas early pa, like 4:30, 5:30, kasi ngayon it's quite disappointing. Pero siguro kasalanan din naman namin. Late na kami nakarating. But most of the buildings na may mga magagandang ilaw, which is the highlights of this trip, wala na. Hindi siya nailaw. Hindi siya umiilaw. So, pili na lang yung mga wow, ganon. And anyway, wow. Medyo nakakaantok siya. Anyway, lesson learned, and I think 300-ish is not bad for this kind of experience here in Ho Chi Minh City. So, yeah. After this, maghahanap kami ng coffee shop probably. Kailangan na namin mag-pack ni Kay kasi uuwi na tayo bukas. So, yeah. I'll see you later. Guys, this is the Notre Dame Cathedral of Ang ganda! Grabe. Grabe no, ginawa nila ng paraan kasi since hindi pa siya tapos, nilagyan nila ng lights, buong church talaga. Nung labas ng church lang. Hindi ko alam sa loob. Pero ang ganda, ang galing. Let's go! Dun, dun. Daran, dan, dan, daran, dan, daran, dan, dan. Let's go! Dan, 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 daran, dan, daran. Dan, dan, dan. So pretty. This is Opera House. So ayun guys, finally natapos din yung city night tour natin. And since hindi pa talaga kami nakain ni Kay, andito kami ngayon sa Cafe Sanwa. Katapat lang siya ng cafe apartment. Ito. Ayan, that is the cafe apartment. And dito lang siya sa may katapat, yung building. Ayan. Here. And this is our dinner. Ayan. Anyway guys, so you know, this is our last night here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. I had so much fun. This is a memorable travel for me. Di talaga ako magsasawa sa Vietnam. And yeah, especially mas special siya ngayon kasi first time kong mag-travel international kasama yung friend natin. So thank you, babe. Ay, hindi siya sasama. Ayaw ng camera. So, naka-ano siya. But anyway guys, so after nito, uuwi na din kami. Magpapack pa kami ng mga gamit namin. And then tomorrow morning, yung flight natin is 3:45 in the afternoon pa. So tomorrow morning, magla-last shopping pa kami for pasalubong kasi hindi namin nagawa today. And then, yeah, that's it. Hindi na kami siguro makakabalik ng Pink Church, guys. Maybe assignment na siya for next year. Yeah, assignment na siya for next trip naman or pabalik natin dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Kasama na din yung second at saka third floor ng War Museum. Again, guys, thank you so much sa pagsama. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Kahit first timer lang ako, I hope sana may naibigay akong mga magagandang information. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kabardalugan namin, Nick, sa food trip. And any feedback would be much appreciated. Kasi I always take feedback as a gift. So, walang problema po kayo. Just comment down below kung ano po yung kailangan i-improve, kung ano po yung gusto nyo pang malaman sa mga other trips natin. I am uncertain with the next location or country, but I will do my best para maisama ko kayo ulit. So, yan lang. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and have a good one. Ciao!